Renting equipment can be a hassle. You have to figure out what equipment you need, call several suppliers to check availability and compare prices. Even after all this, you often experience problems and get hit with expensive hidden fees. That's why we created Getable. Getable is your equipment rental concierge. We do the heavy lifting for you. We'll find the equipment you need from one of our trusted suppliers near you. And with our guaranteed out-the-door price, you'll never overpay again. We make the whole rental process easy. Find the equipment you need on our site or call us and let us find it for you. You can even text us your order. Rent on account or simply pay with your credit card. We've got it from there. It'll be where you need it, when you need it. Get it on Getable and you're covered. Use Getable.com or call us to rent your equipment today.